Romtec designs sewer, stormwater, and clean water booster stations for new residential developments. Working with developers to meet timelines is our specialty. Developers love the speed at which Romtec helps engineers deliver complete pumping systems for new residential development. Our speed helps developers get approved and completed so they can build their project. Romtec provides experience and assistance with the public design and approval process. Gaining public design approval is often a required step for developers. Romtec makes it simple by working with you and the public agency to ensure that the pumping system we supply will meet all design requirements to get the sewer, storm, or clean water pumping system approved and the development moving forward. Romtec helps many developers each year procure pumping systems that are engineered to match the phases of their development. From future pump sizing to scalable controls, Romtec has the experience needed to engineer residential sewer, storm, or clean water pumping systems that meet various pumping requirements in different development phases. Get your system designed for the now and the future development phase.